Hi everyone, my name is Jake Showalter. It's a pleasure to be joining you today at Microsoft Ignite to talk to you about something that's truly transforming our industry, and that's how AI is reshaping the future of customer experience. At 𝗦𝗲𝘀𝗀𝗃, we believe support should be more than just a conversation, it should be a resolution. So today, I'm going to be talking you through 3 AI use cases on how brands across the globe are turning their support into a real growth engine. Here's what we're going to be talking about today. First, the reality. Why customer expectations are rising faster than most CX teams can keep up with. Next, we're going to talk about the shift. How we're moving from traditional chatbots to AI conversational engines. Next, we're going to talk about the proof. 3 real examples from 3 different industries. And lastly, we're going to be covering the future. How you can adopt AI resolution engines that deliver measurable CX outcomes. Let's start with the reality. Today's customers expect instant answers, personalized services, and consistency across every channel that they're reaching out to you on. According to recent studies, 75% of service representatives are reporting record high ticket volumes. 79% of customers are expecting a consistent experience no matter what channel they're reaching out to support on. And lastly, 62% of executives are saying that their product catalogs are getting more and more complex, which is a major challenge for their CX team. In short, teams are doing their best, but volume and complexity are outpacing that capacity. Over the past decade, AI customer support has evolved drastically. From rule-based automation in 2015 to deep learning models to the generative AI support we're seeing today. This is going to shift to a multimodal agents that see, listen, and can truly act like real-time assistants. As AI continues to evolve, most conversational systems will still be lacking a key limitation. They can talk, but they can't truly solve. Conversational AI that can't take action is just expensive small talk. Most chatbots can chat, but they can't solve. They can answer FAQs, but they're not going to be able to process those complex scenarios that your CX team deals with every day. That's why we built 𝗦𝗲𝘀𝗀𝗃, an AI resolution engine that doesn't just talk to its customers, but actually resolves their problems with speed and accuracy. So here's the difference in simple terms. Traditional chatbots follow scripts. They depend on predefined workflows and a handoff to a human agent for full resolution. 𝗦𝗲𝘀𝗀𝗃's AI resolution engine makes autonomous decisions, understands context, and executes workflows end-to-end across all channels, languages, and time zones. That's what turns an AI from a conversation tool into a business outcome engine. So let's talk about the 3 biggest challenges that we're seeing in CX today and how 𝗦𝗲𝘀𝘀𝗀𝗃 turns them into a measurable impact for your team. The first, massive volume. Brands are dealing with a higher influx of tickets day in and day out. Second, cross-channel orchestration. Customers switch among various different platforms and are expecting continuity and autonomous conversations with support. And lastly, high complexity. Products, policies, and logistics scenarios are getting harder and harder for your team to manage. We'll see how 𝗦𝗲𝘀𝘀𝗀𝗃 tackles these issues across 3 very different industries. So let's start with our first CX challenge, massive volumes. And this is especially true in consumer electronics. Think about how many support requests a global hardware brand gets every single day. These are going to be product requests, shipping updates, warranty claims, and more. This is exactly what our customer Anker was facing daily. As the world's #1 charging brand, serving over 200 million users in 140 different countries, Anker's team was handling tens of thousands of tickets daily across 270 different internal systems. They needed a way to handle this growing demand without scaling their headcount. With 𝗦𝗲𝘀𝘀𝗀𝗃, they were able to centralize all those channels into a single unified workspace powered by our AI agents. AI now automates 80% of case resolution at 96% accuracy. Their average handle time dropped from 30 minutes to just 5. And by managing over 3.5 million product reviews, Anchor is generating actionable insights that feed back into service improvements and product design. This is how 𝗦𝗲𝘀𝗀𝗃 helps brands manage massive scale without sacrificing any quality. The second CX challenge is that cross-channel orchestration we were talking about, and home and furniture industry demonstrates it perfectly. Songmix Homes is a global home furnishing brand that was facing two major obstacles in daily operation. The first was that customers were reaching out through multiple different channels. This could be chat, email, and phone, and they were often attaching text messages, screenshots, and photos, which made it very hard for their agents to discern what the true problem really was. The second was that on large item orders, they were often being split into multiple shipments across multiple different carriers, which caused confusion when the customers reached out on shipping concerns. With 𝗦𝗲𝘀, all that was able to change. Our multimodal agent doesn't just read text, it can also see. So when a customer updates a photo of a damaged product or a tracking label, the AI can actually analyze what's in the image and automatically launch the correct workflow, like a refund or a product replacement. At the same time, our cross-channel orchestration connects data from multiple platforms, for example, merging split shipments into a unified tracking view. The result, a seamless experience for your customer. Fewer complaints, higher first contact resolution, and a consistent brand experience across every single channel. The last challenge that we're going to talk about is high complexity, and this is especially true in the auto and vehicle parts industry. Max Speeding Rods serves customers in over 170 different countries with more than 200,000 SKUs. Each ticket involved detailed technical questions, from fitment and installation to return policies, far beyond what a traditional chatbot would be able to handle. With 𝗦𝗲𝘀, they built an intelligent support system that truly understands the complexity that is needed to answer technical questions. Our AI agent connects with product, logistics, and order databases so they can access real-time SKU data and take action instantly. The result, the equivalent of saving 4 to 6 full-time human agents monthly. By mastering technical complexity, 𝗦𝗲𝘀 turns one of the toughest support categories into one of the most efficient. So across these three industries, here's what we've learned so far. When AI is designed with the right focus, every CX challenge can translate into a business outcome. For high volume environments, 𝗦𝗲𝘀 delivers efficiency at scale, handling millions of tickets with consistency, speed, and quality. For cross-channel experiences, we create seamless journeys, connecting fragmented systems into one coherent workflow. And in complex technical scenarios, we bring precision and complexity, resolving even intricate cases with confidence. Across industry, 𝗦𝗲𝘀 turns complexity into clarity, delivering faster, smarter, and more connected customer experiences. It's how we bridge the gap between conversation and resolution, between support and growth. Behind those results is real industry expertise. Across the many industries that we support, each has its own rhythm and customer expectations. For example, in consumer electronics, support often centers around troubleshooting and product usage. In home and furniture, it's often logistics and split shipments that dominate. And in the automotive industry, precision in fitment and installation defines the experience for the customer. These insights come from thousands of resolved cases in close collaboration with our clients. They're what enables 𝗦𝗲𝘀's AI to speak the language of each industry, not just understanding the question, but the business behind it. To serve these industries at scale, 𝗦𝗲𝘀 has already built standardized workflows across 4 major domains: logistics, orders, products, and policies. Each domain includes dozens of ready-to-use scenarios, from verifying a missing package and processing returns to warranty claims, shipping updates, and even fraud detection. These predefined SOPs mean 𝗦𝗲𝘀 can be deployed fast, not starting from scratch, but from proven experience, This means that you're going to be able to be stood up with 𝗦𝗲𝘲 in a matter of weeks, not months. Founded at the early emergence of GPT technology, 𝗦𝗲𝘲 is among the first teams to successfully implement generative AI in real-world enterprise scenarios. We build AI agents that truly transform the customer experience, helping business operate more efficiently, delight their customers, and scale with consistent, high-quality resolutions. What truly sets 𝗦𝗲𝘲 apart is our approach. We don't just deliver technology, we deliver outcomes. With outcome-based pricing, we ensure that you only pay for resolved cases, not conversations, which means that every result is transparent, measurable, and ROI-driven. We offer ready-to-deploy expertise, with over 100 pre-trained industry agents fine-tuned from real scenarios, and we provide full service onboarding, working hand in hand with your team to help design your workflows, integrate with your existing systems, and turn your staff into AI-powered users. At the heart of it, 𝗦𝗲𝘲 Resolutions Engine is built on 4 core capabilities: intelligent workflows, intent detection, contextual awareness, and learning agility. This combination makes 𝗦𝗲𝘲 more than just a chatbot. It's an AI support system that truly thinks. Today, 𝗦𝗲𝘲 powers customer experiences for more than 100 global brands. Our partners represent the full spectrum of modern CX operators, and together they achieve consistent performance with over a 95% renewal rating. These are just a few of the brands that we're working with today, from global leaders to fast-growing innovators across North America, Europe, and Asia. Each partnership reinforces the same belief that great customer experience is measurable, scalable, and powered by AI that truly understands. At 𝗦𝗲𝘲, we're reimagining what customer experience can be, turning support into a growth engine and conversations into real outcomes for you and your teams. I'd like to thank you for spending time with us today. We'd love to continue this conversation, so feel free to scan the QR code or connect with us on LinkedIn to explore how 𝗦𝗲𝘲 can support your businesses and unlock real AI value in customer experience. Thank you so much.